What's up guys? I'm gonna start a new segment on my channel that's called Tuesday Tutorial, and today I'm gonna talk about composition, mainly for people who are just starting out in photography, or if you have a phone and you just want to upgrade your style of taking photos. Let's get right into it. Tip number one. This is one of my favorite ways to shoot. It's shooting through something or create a frame for your subject. For example, if you look at these two photos of the same flag that I took on the National Flag Day of Curacao, you can see that one is not so interesting because I was standing right in front of it or at the bottom of it and I shot it up, and the other one I shot through the bleachers where people were sitting, and it makes the photo even more interesting. It's like letting your viewer feel like they were there standing with you looking at the flag. Tip number two, create depth. The way I create depth is I use, for example, two subjects or two persons. I let one person stand really close to me and the other person stands a bit farther away from me. And I use the person who is standing closer to me, the shoulder or the hand, to create depth, as if the person viewing the photo is standing right there and looking at the person farther away from me. It makes more of an interesting photo. If you want to take a photo of your family when you're on vacation, usually people just stand there and photograph their loved ones. But if you stand behind the crowd of people, because if you're on vacation in Paris, for example, there's always tourists. So if you stand behind a tourist and shoot your family farther away, it makes more of an interesting family vacation photo. Tip number three, using the rule of thirds. Now the rule of thirds means that your screen is divided into 9 equal parts using 2 vertical lines and 2 horizontal lines. Instead of placing your subject in the middle of your screen, you can place your subject on one of those lines or at the intersection of 2 of those lines. That gives your image a more balanced feeling, or it gives it a different kind of energy. That's it guys, those are the 3 tips that I have for you to get better photos using better composition. Remember, you don't really need a camera to use these tips. You can also use your phone. If you have any other tips on getting better composition, leave it down in the comments below. I'll be sure to check them out. And if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Those are in the description. And I'll see you guys in the next Tuesday tutorial. Bye guys.